Hi, this is Mike from Mike's Unboxing Reviews and How To, and today I'm going to show you how to do a factory reset on the Creative Outlier Air. Keep watching to find out how. Okay, so today we're going to show you how to do a factory reset on the Creative Outlier Air. Now, actually, if you want to win these, there is a giveaway going on, so you can click in the link which is in the video description, and you can be in to win a set of these. Anyway, let's show you how to do a factory reset. So the first thing you want to do is to make sure that the battery bank in the actual Creative Outlier Air set has a full charge, or at least some charge. You can do that by plugging in the USB Type-C connector. Ideally, you want it so that when you disconnect the USB connector, you can see the two charging lights on either side that light up saying L and R. You can also perform this with the USB Type-C connector. You'll have the charging light and also the L and R connections. So you do need some power in the bank. That is what starts this process off. So with both units actually placed into the charging pod or charging dock, and with both of them flashing red. They must both be flashing red. If they're not doing that, this will not work for you. So all you need to do is to press and hold both of the touch buttons at the same time for about 5 seconds. Press and hold them, and then you'll see both of them turn to a blue color and then briefly flash red, and that means they've done the reset. So let's go ahead and do that now. So we'll press and hold and count of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and one's gone blue and the other's gone blue. So now we can release that, and that is it. That is the pod's factory reset. So let's go through and do that one more time. So both of them are flashing red at the same time. Press and hold both touch buttons, count of 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and as you can see, both of them have illuminated blue. And as soon as the blue lights up and then goes to red, you can release the buttons. So now they've gone back into charging mode, and if you take them out, they should immediately go into pairing mode, which will be red and blue flashing, and then it's blue flashing constantly for connectivity. So there we go, that is how to do a factory reset on your Creative Outlier Airs. I've been Mike, this is Mike's Unboxing Reviews and How To, and hopefully we'll catch you in the very next video. Thanks for watching.